So is it possible to build your own app or website and make money in just 48 hours? This is the question that popped through my head when I was scrolling through YouTube the other day. It seems like right now, so many people are making money by vibe coding, building SaaS products, and by making their own web applications. So I decided to take a weekend to try out vibe coding for myself, to build a web app, monetize it, market it, and just see what happens. The following 48 hours honestly turned into a complete whirlwind that blew my expectations out of the water. So let me share exactly what went down with you guys, because this might be one of the craziest videos I've ever made. And so really quickly, just for a bit of context here on what this whole vibe coding thing is all about, because you've probably heard the term, you've probably seen people making videos about it, but what exactly am I even talking about here? Well, recently there's been a rise in vibe coding tools out there that basically let you create web applications and software just by typing what you want, almost like you're using ChatGPT. And so thanks to vibe coding, clever side hustlers are building web applications, SaaS companies, and even entire businesses without needing developers, without knowing how to code, and without needing tons of funding. Now, there are a ton of different vibe coding tools out there, so my first step in this entire experiment was to basically research the vibe coding tool that I was going to use. And after doing a little bit of research, I settled on using Emergent. So Emergent is the world's first agentic vibe coding platform, and it basically lets you use text prompts to turn your idea into a production-ready app that you can build, test, launch, and scale. And what's really cool here is that Emergent is building something that is production-ready, like I said. So you're building something that is ready to sell to your customers. You're not just building wireframes. You're not building something that you need a developer to come in and finish. You are building completely functional tools, websites, and applications. Now, Emergent can do lots of other cool things, like it can even create AI agents for you that help run different workflows in your business and help run certain automations. But for this experiment, I decided to use Emergent to build a website and web tool that I was going to monetize, market, and start building a business out of. But that brings me to my next question of what on earth am I going to build? And so I spent some time that weekend thinking of actual tools or applications I could build for my existing businesses that would help you guys and help people I want to reach. And this is what I came up with.
Okay, guys, so I've been thinking about what I want to build with this particular vibe coding project of mine with Emergent, and I think I've settled on it. I'm going to build a side hustle database. I know I share side hustles all the time on this channel, and one of the main questions I get is, oh, this side hustle is not available in my country. How do I find something that is available in my country? Or how do I find a side hustle that matches my income goals or my skill level and things like that? So I'm going to try building a database that people can kind of sort through different side hustles and find ideas that work for them. And then my plan is to market it on Reddit, market it with my email list, and just kind of see what happens. So I'm actually pretty excited. I'm going to get to work, but it looks like Emergent is the tool I'm going to be using to vibe code this new web app and website. And yeah, side hustle database incoming. Let's go.
And so now I had my goal in mind of building the ultimate side hustle database. So let me show you guys how this process went and what exactly happened. And so to get started, I just signed up for Emergent with my email and signed up for the standard tier plan, which costs $20 per month. Now there's a free plan as well that you can sign up for. And this is great if you just want to test out Emergent to see how it functions and to get an idea of how it works. If you actually want to build something, you'll probably want to upgrade to a different plan just so you have enough credits so you can actually use Emergent to build what you're dreaming of. But yeah, I signed up for Emergent in about a minute. I upgraded my plan, and from there I literally just had to start typing into Emergent what I was kind of envisioning and what I wanted to build. And honestly guys, using Emergent and this whole vibe coding concept is so easy and anyone can do this. All you need to do is use text commands to guide the agent to build exactly what you want. I got started by asking Emergent to add certain side hustles I like to the database and just to make a basic prototype so I could check if it's on the right track. Emergent did this super quickly, and honestly, out of the gate, it was doing a pretty stellar job. Now, my goal was to make a side hustle database that had lots of useful information about side hustles, like their earning potential, skill requirements, where they're globally available. I also wanted people to be able to save their favorite side hustles and to create an account and log into the platform. Emergent was also able to add this really easily, and this is important because I wanted to make an actual product that had some interesting functionality. I wanted people to log in and to save side hustles and to actually interact with what I was building, not just to make a simple database. And again, what's really cool is that Emergent has its own native backend. So all of this data is being stored. It's actually on Emergent. You don't need any third-party software to do this or third-party applications. Emergent can handle everything. But yeah, I spent the morning on Saturday basically prompting and playing around with Emergent, and here's a look at how that all went.
Okay guys, so you can see the agent actually just finished one of its first tests of implementing a bunch of features. And honestly, the first rendition of it came out pretty well. I can open it here. And you can see, I can scroll through, I can look at all of these different side hustles. I can click through and it actually goes to the right URL as well. So I'm gonna spend some time. I need to play around with the back end and add some more side hustles and keep the agent busy. But honestly, pretty impressed so far. Okay guys, just another update. But you can see here, I have a logo. I now have a search bar and search filters. And guys, it's actually looking so clean. Like you can scroll through, find tons of different side hustles now. They have logos, they have nice beginner, experienced, or medium tags on them. They have a lot more data as well about the earning potential and how to get started. So honestly, this is looking super sleek. And again, I've only been playing around with Emergent probably for the last like hour and a bit. So honestly, super excited. Okay guys, one more exciting update. I had an idea and I'm actually putting in a little chat bot / support widget. So people can even send me questions now if they have some questions about side hustles. So I think this is going to look super cool once it's up and running.
So yeah, guys, it took me less than 2 hours to basically build out the first prototype and version of my side hustle finder tool. I was able to use Emergent's agent to build pretty much everything I needed. I even created a quick logo for the tool by using Emergent, and it looked pretty solid, so I didn't have to even use any other AI image generation tools. Emergent just made the logo for me. I also had Emergent scrape the web and find logos and images for every side hustle in the database just to give the whole thing some color and a bit of a better design. I then tested the account creation process and backend as well and confirmed that users would be able to save their favorite side hustles and create an account and log in, which is one core component I really wanted. From there, I basically added a couple of other housekeeping items. I made an about page, a terms of services page, privacy policy page, affiliate disclosure page. But again, I just told Emergent to create these and it made them for me in like 15 seconds. Finally, I tested each side hustle to make sure that the information was correct and that when you click on the link to actually try it, Emergent and the platform sends you to the right destination. Honestly, all of the information was pretty solid. I edited a couple of the side hustles just to change some of the information around, but again, Emergent scraped the web and its agent did a very good job of actually putting data into this database. But yeah, let me scroll through and show you guys a deeper look at version 1 of my side hustle finder tool. Honestly, I think it looks pretty decent and I'm really excited to keep expanding the database to add even more value to people who are looking for legit side hustles. It also looks great on mobile and desktop, which I love. And one more thing I decided to do was to add a chat feature where people can basically message and ask for help with picking the right side hustle for them. In version 2, I want Emergent's AI agent to basically handle this and to answer questions in real time. But for now, I think this adds another nice layer to the platform and will hopefully encourage people to engage with it a little bit more. But yeah, honestly, for 2 hours of work on a Saturday, I think version 1 is awesome. So let me explain how I decided to monetize it and how I planned on launching this thing. And so now that I had version 1 of my web application, my next step was to add a monetization layer. And I say layer because there's actually so many creative ways to monetize this, which really got me excited as I was thinking about this project in the first place. But to get started, I was just going to use affiliate marketing to monetize this side hustle finder. And so in a nutshell, with some of these side hustles, I'll add affiliate links to them. And if people sign up and actually join that side hustle idea, I can earn a small affiliate payout or referral bonus. I already do this on my content sites. I do it here on YouTube as well. So this was a really easy monetization layer to add to this new product that I'm launching. And this is really what I love about vibe coding, because you might have an existing business where you can create a web application or some kind of tool for it, add in monetization pretty easily, and all of a sudden you have a new potential revenue stream. But yeah, I spent the next Sunday morning basically adding monetization to Side Hustle Finder and then planning my marketing strategy. So here's how that all went down.
Okay guys, it is Sunday here in Athens, and honestly, I think version 1 of Side Hustle Finder is looking pretty sweet. It has tons of side hustles in the database now. People can log in, they can save their favorite side hustles, they can ask me questions through a contact widget. Everything is looking pretty decent if you ask me. Now, I've been thinking of how I'm actually going to market this thing, because now it's monetized a little bit. It has those affiliate links on some of the side hustle ideas, but I'm trying to figure out how to actually get people to visit the website, sign up, click on links, and generate some affiliate revenue while finding awesome side hustles that actually work. And so I think one of the main ways I'm actually going to start marketing Side Hustle Finder is through Reddit. And this is something I used to do back in the day when I was blogging in my early days, but Reddit is actually a goldmine, and let me show you what I mean. So just scrolling through here, you can see there's all kinds of people asking for side hustle advice on Reddit about how do I make money quickly? How do I make money online? How do I supplement my income? My plan is to actually go through these threads, provide value to people, give them some advice and some tips based on my side hustle experience, and then link them to Side Hustle Finder to get some traffic. So I'm gonna lock in. I'm gonna do this for most of the day today on Reddit. I'm gonna send some emails as well to my newsletter, and I'm also gonna share Side Hustle Finder on Pinterest. I'm gonna put it in some of my blogging content articles that get traffic from Google, and I'm gonna share it on my new school community, which, guys, if you haven't joined yet, I'll be linking in the description box as well. But I think this kind of quick and dirty marketing strategy is going to work pretty well. And I'm hoping to get at least a few hundred visitors to the website just so I can kind of see how people convert on the affiliate offers, if they create accounts, if they sign up, if they just bounce right away, and to kind of figure out some early problems. So let me lock in and let me start doing some marketing for Side Hustle Finder. Okay, guys, so it's been a couple of hours. I've been hard at work. I've been sending out some emails. I've dropped a bunch of links on Reddit. A lot of them have stuck around. Some got removed by moderators, but for the most part, the link strategy looks like it's working. And we've actually gotten some traffic to the site. So far, no revenue yet, but again, it's only been a few hours of actually marketing this thing. But yeah, website is looking really, really good. I'm really excited with how it kind of turned out for version 1. And yeah, I'm going to spend a bit more time tonight just kind of sending out some more emails and scheduling a few posts and dropping it in the school community. But I'm leaving Athens tomorrow morning. I'm going back to Cape Town, so yeah, good first test. We'll see how this initial traffic responds and how things look over the next few days. I'm pretty excited, but I'll probably check back in with you guys when I'm settled in Cape Town, maybe 4 or 5 days from now, with an update on how the initial marketing plan has gone, and fingers crossed for some revenue. That would be pretty sweet. So again, I'll check in with you guys in a couple of days.
All right, guys. And so I'm actually filming this video about 5 days since I started this side hustle experiment and using Emergent. And I honestly have some pretty exciting news. I had to leave Athens and I've returned to Cape Town. And since then I've been hiking, I've been catching up with friends, but I have done some more work on the marketing front for Side Hustle Finder. And honestly, it's been going way better than I expected. So like I said, I've basically been dropping links to the website every day on Reddit when I find relevant threads in different subreddits, like I explained to you guys. I also shared Side Hustle Finder in 2 of my recent newsletters, and I shared it to my school community as well, which if you guys haven't joined yet, I definitely recommend you sign up for, and the link is in the description box. Now, I also created a few Pinterest graphics for Side Hustle Finder and put them out on Pinterest just to see what would happen, and I finally linked to Side Hustle Finder from a few of my different content websites. All of this managed to drive some daily traffic to the new tool, which is honestly super exciting to see. And honestly, Reddit worked out the best for me. Some of the threads actually got a decent amount of upvotes and they got a lot of views, and so Reddit has actually been a pretty decent marketing tactic for this new tool that I've just built. Now, I will say a lot of the links I shared on Reddit did get automatically removed, either by the moderators or just by Reddit's filters. But again, some of them stuck around and some of them even got over 1,000 views and helped drive some pretty decent traffic back to Side Hustle Finder. But yeah, all in all, I was able to drive a couple hundred people back to Side Hustle Finder, which is definitely more than I was anticipating. But guys, here is the super cool thing. I actually made money with Side Hustle Finder. And I'll put some footage up showing one of my Impact Radius accounts where I got most of the affiliate links for this new project. I basically added a unique sub-ID to all of my affiliate links on Side Hustle Finder, so I know how many clicks and conversions these offers are getting. And guys, as you can see here, so far I've driven over 200 clicks to these different affiliate offers and made about $37 Canadian in revenue. This works out to about 18 cents per click that I'm getting on average when I send someone to Side Hustle Finder and they end up clicking on a side hustle. Now, this is honestly mind-blowing to me, and I wasn't really expecting to make any money with this new tool or new test, but the fact that this all happened within a weekend of work and then a couple days of marketing is just mind-blowing to me. Now, pretty much all of the revenue came from Flex Jobs and Swag Bucks, which are 2 of the side hustles in Side Hustle Finder, but it's nice seeing that other side hustle ideas are also getting some clicks and attention. Now, I'm going to keep sharing Side Hustle Finder on Reddit and some different social media platforms. I'm going to try out Quora as well. I'm going to try out a few more email newsletters as well, so we'll see how the traffic keeps flowing, but for an early test, I can't believe I vibe coded something in a weekend and it's already making money. Like, that concept to me is just crazy. But that kind of brings me to my next point here and what I'm honestly most excited about, which is what are the future plans for Side Hustle Finder? And really the first step here for building out this project is I just want to add more side hustles to the database. I want to add more value, I want to add more information, and I really want this to become the #1 destination for finding the best side hustle possible. Now, the second thing I want to do is improve that chatbot functionality. Like I mentioned, I want to work in Emergent AI agent so it can actually answer people's questions in real time. Next, I want to integrate a few other monetization layers to the website. namely digital products I have that I want to sell, and I'm also thinking about adding in some kind of coaching service or upsell to Side Hustle Finder, but again, playing around with that idea for now. And what is cool is that Emergent lets you integrate Stripe with the products you build, so one of my next steps here is to basically import some of my digital products that I've made into Side Hustle Finder, and then let people buy the products right from the website, which would be pretty cool. Finally, I'm thinking of turning Side Hustle Finder into a mobile app as well, because Emergent can do this very easily. So again, all of these different ideas I'm toying with, and I'm super excited for the future of this tool. So definitely subscribe and stick around because I think this is going to become a multi-part series. But yeah, those are some of my future plans. Other than that, I kind of want to just step up my marketing game and marketing plan for Side Hustle Finder. I plan on making an Instagram and TikTok page for this as well, where I'm going to post short form content about the best side hustles out there. So again, experimenting with all kinds of different things, but it really does impress me that all of this was possible within 48 hours of vibe coding, and now I have the beginnings of a new business and a new product. Again, I think this is going to be a multi-part series. It's going to be taking a lot of my time and attention over the next few months at least. I'm super excited to see where this goes, so definitely subscribe and follow around if you want to see how this vibe coding experiment goes. Yeah, guys, I honestly didn't know what to expect when I set out on this vibe coding mission just a couple of days ago and spent a weekend trying out Emergent. I've seen so many videos and thumbnails and titles out there of people building SaaS products or web applications and making money in just a few days, so I had high expectations, but I also didn't really want to get my hopes up. But I'm honestly super impressed with how easy it is to use. So if there's an idea you have out there, or there's something you've wanted to build for a long time but you've kind of been too scared to start, I definitely think Emergent and vibe coding could be for you. I mean, in the past, you had to have thousands of dollars to hire developers, or you had to know how to code yourself. So I think the rise of no-code vibe coding solutions is honestly so awesome. Now you can literally build ready-to-ship monetized products in just a weekend of work. So again, if you have any creative ideas out there, get to work, put your ideas into action, and try out something like Emergent, because you might be surprised at what you can build. I've honestly tested out a few other vibe coding platforms before I made this video because I wanted to pick one that I actually really like. And honestly, Emergent is, in my opinion, the best one you can use right now. And really, it's agentic AI, which is basically like a separate agent, like having your own development team, is one of the main selling points and differentiating factors I think Emergent nails. It's super easy to use, it has its own native backend, and it already has over 2 million users. So again, definitely recommend checking out Emergent if you want to try out vibe coding. Now for me, I'm super excited for the future of Side Hustle Finder. So again, I hope you guys will stick around to see how this journey plays out. Now, if you guys want to give vibe coding a try yourself, I'll also be linking Emergent down below for you guys to check them out, and you can also help support the channel that way. Honestly, this has been one of my favorite videos to make. This has been such a fun side hustle test, and I'm so excited for the future of Side Hustle Finder. So I hope you guys will stick around to see what's next. But yeah, that really does it for this one. I'm going to keep marketing Side Hustle Finder, and I'll have an update video coming out as well to show you guys how it's doing. That really does it for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching and for all the support. I hope you have a fantastic day and week. I'll catch you guys in the next one.